Jammu and Kashmir's Chief Minister Omar Abdullah has rejected the PDP's proposed land regularization bill. The decision comes despite the PDP's recent support for the National Conference in the Rajya Sabha elections, where the National Conference secured 3 of the 4 available seats from the Union territory. The PDP president and the former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mahbooba Mufti has sought the ruling party's support for bills that her party had planned to introduce in the Assembly. However, Chief Minister Omar Abdullah has rejected them, arguing that they would amount to legalizing the illegal occupation of state land. Specifically, Abdullah has rejected a bill moved by the PDP MLA Wahidur Rahman Para, which sought to grant property rights over state and grazing lands. He stated that the government could not legitimize unlawful encroachments on public property. Abdullah has urged Para to withdraw the bill, emphasizing that it contravened on the existing laws and land regulations.
We cannot legalize illegal occupation of state land. On the surface, it looks easy. If someone has constructed a house on government land, give the land to him. Last time also, the government made a scheme to convert leasehold into freehold, which was known as Roshni scheme. The aim was to grant freehold to those who had leasehold before militancy.
However, the PDP MLA Wahidur Rahman Para refused to withdraw the bill, accusing the government of rejecting it for political motives. He also challenged the Chief Minister and said that you are opposing it to align with your own policies because the Bharatiya Janata Party labels it land jihad. Don't fear them. Para insisted that the bill was intended to grant relief to families who have lived or cultivated these lands for decades, while the government has countered that established legal procedures could not be circumvented. The Chief Minister Omar Abdullah reiterated that land rights must be addressed through lawful channels alone, and the government would not endorse any measure that risked encouraging further encroachments on state property.
Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir Omar Abdullah today took a tough stand in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly after he rejected the PDP's land regularization bill that was tabled by the PDP MLA Wahid Para. PDP had recently voted in favor of the National Conference in the recently held Rajya Sabha election and had called for an assurance from the National Conference that they will support them in the bills that PDP will table in Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. But the Chief Minister today took a tough stand and said no to the bill. With video journalist Feroz Idris Sloan for WION World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.